Hi, it's Terry.
And Jen.
And thanks for joining us today.
And today we're excited to introduce you to our special guest, Bonnie Peterson from Genworth.
Hi, Bonnie. Thanks for joining us. Can you tell us a bit about yourself and your company?
Thanks for having me join you today. My name is Bonnie Peterson. I'm an account manager with Genworth Canada, and I primarily work in the Eastern Ontario region, but I'm currently covering Northern Ontario as well for a short term. I've been with Genworth just over a year, but been in the industry a while. Previous to Genworth, I was a mortgage broker for 10 years, and previous to that, I worked at a financial institution for 10 years. So lots of time in the industry, seen lots of changes over the years, and happy to be here now.
Bonnie, people ask me all the time what mortgage insurance is. Could you explain that?
So mortgage default insurance, it allows a home buyer to achieve the dream of home ownership by putting less than 20% down. Without default insurance, home buyers would have to put a full 20% down of the purchase price as a down payment. So we have solutions to help them work with their lender of choice in order to reach their home ownership goals more quickly. By offering lenders access across the country, we can help default insure those mortgages anywhere in Canada. And we are regulated by the government, so we do have qualification expectations at the time of submission of the applications.
So of course we have to ask the question, why choose Genworth?
Great question. So at Genworth, we have some innovative programs to help Canadians reach homeownership sooner. A few examples is we have a new to Canada program. So it's for people who are new to Canada, don't have all the credit established when you are new to the country. We have a specific program in place for them to help realize homeownership sooner than if they were here and had the credit established. Also, there's an increase of self-employed people in Canada now. So we do have a specific program just for them, and that's just a couple of the many programs we have. We also have some innovative things to help Canadians. We have an energy efficient rebate program for a property that's energy efficient. And we also have a homeownership assistance program that helps Canadians once they're in their home, if they fall on hard times, that temporarily we can possibly help them out. So especially in times like this, that's a very important feature that we have at Genworth.
Could you tell us why CMHC recently changed their criteria and you haven't?
I definitely can't speak and comment on the decisions that our competitors at CMHC made, but what I can share is that Genworth Canada, we believe our risk management framework, dynamic underwriting policies, and our ongoing monitoring of the condition and market developments allowed us to adjudicate and manage our mortgage insurance exposure, including our exposure segment of borrowers with lower credit scores and higher debt servicing ratios. And because of that, we were comfortable keeping our policy the same.
Bonnie, can you tell us how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected mortgage insurance?
There is no doubt that COVID-19 may very well possibly affect everybody's business in Canada, and we do feel that as we move forward, default insurance may become more common, and it may be a more common conversation that mortgage specialists are having with their customers. People have experienced a loss in their investment portfolio, or potentially if they were having a down payment gifted from a parent, that parent has experienced a loss in their portfolio. So people also realize the need to have money for an actual rainy day now. It used to be something that we talked about, but people never really knew what all of a sudden emergency savings were until all of a sudden they needed them. So because of that, we do predict that we will be seeing some smaller down payments on mortgages, so people may not be putting the full 20% down. And we have started to see a bit of an increase in that. We're seeing more high ratio business in places where we traditionally did not see high ratios, such as the GTA. So we do expect to see that as we move forward.
Thanks, Bonnie, for joining us today.
Thanks, Bonnie.
We really appreciate you joining us and giving us some of your insight and knowledge.
Yeah, so if you have any questions on mortgages, mortgage insurance, or anything real estate, send us an email at info@aimsteam.ca. Thanks. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for having me join you today. I truly appreciate it. Always reach out if I can ever help. Have a great day.